Hi you guys, I'm Mala. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today's video is a review. And what are we reviewing today? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, oops. We are reviewing the Garnier Micellar Water, and this is Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, and this is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Now, I will just read the packaging first. It says, even for sensitive skin, removes makeup and cleanses, soothes, no rinse off. Face, eyes, lips, no perfume, no alcohol. And this one says, Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water for all skin types, removes waterproof makeup, cleanses, nourishes, no rinse off. Face, eyes, lips, non-greasy. Dermatologically tested. Alright then. So now this is one of the newer micellar waters. I have tried both of these and I will just show you the whole trial video. I used this one to remove my entire face and neck and eyes and lips and everything. It removed everything except for my eye makeup. Well, I guess that is the whole point of having this, because my eyeliner and my mascara, they are waterproof, and this one says it is specifically for waterproof makeup. It's oil infused, and this did get them out completely. So I would say if you are not wearing waterproof makeup, this will do. And if you are wearing waterproof makeup, then it's better to go with this one. And when you use it, shake. I will tell you a couple of key points, and then I will go into the actual taking off of my makeup. This is for $3.99 and this is for $3.49. So the waterproof makeup remover is 50 rupees more expensive, which is justified, more than justified. And the expiry is till the end of 2021, which is awesome. And it says both of these say 400 ml is equal to 200 uses. I've used it a couple of times and it's still quite full, so I think it will last you a long time. There is a smaller pack as well, but I went for these. I did like the product. It does what it says, and well, you should try it if you are looking for a micellar water option. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing to my channel. I love making content for you guys, and I love it when you tune in to watch it. So please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you super duper soon. Love you guys.